Hi guys, it's your girl Elle and I'm back with another video. Today's video will be a foundation and a concealer routine. I will be showing you guys the steps that I take to get a flawless finish on my makeup looks. For foundation, I'm using the Lancome makeup stick in the color 555 Suede. This is the brush that I'm using for this tutorial. I do transition between brushes and beauty blenders to blend my foundation. When using my makeup stick, I like to do 3 strokes on each side of my cheeks. I put some on my chin, my nose, and my forehead. This allows me to start off with a good amount of coverage. As you guys can see, I am pretty much covered and ready to blend. Next, I take the new CoverGirl Active Setting Spray and I spray that all over my face about once or twice. When I blend my foundation, I like to press it in and press it out. This allows me to smooth it out and spread it out as well as I can to get as much coverage as I can. I don't have to go in and add any more foundation, and it looks flawless and it resembles my skin. Depending on the look you're going for, do not be shy to add more and build up your foundation. Thankfully, I don't have to color correct too often, but if you guys would like to see a color correcting video, please let me know and I will make that happen. So something that I am continuously doing is spreading and patting the foundation in. As I'm blending it in, I want this to spread because I don't want to add any more foundation. So in my routine, I like to press it in and spread, as you guys can see. If you guys use liquid foundation, this video will show you how much of a difference it is when using a stick foundation and a liquid foundation. There is more time put in stick foundations because you have to make sure you spread it out as needed. Liquid foundation, you can kind of put your own works into it and make it work, but with stick foundation, you have to blend it very well so you're not blotchy. This is actually a great amount of coverage for me, especially for an everyday makeup look. Next, I go ahead and take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa. I squeeze some out and place it on the back of my hand. This allows me to have more control over how much concealer I use. I then do a few light strokes underneath my eye. As you guys can see, I'm not going directly underneath my eyes, but it's still under eye highlight. The reason I don't go exactly underneath my eye is because doing that just gives your makeup more room to crease and, look really wrinkly and stuff. So placing it under your eye where I did and then blending it up, and also of course setting it will definitely make a difference. I place concealer on my cupid's bow, my chin, nose, and forehead. When I'm concealing my face, I like to take this time to go ahead and highlight and clean up my eyebrows. Sometimes I do it before, sometimes I do it after. It depends on how I'm feeling. There's no real reason to it, though it does help with highlighting the forehead area and giving you a very good blend. One of the best tips I can give you guys in this video is to take your time. One day you'll be quick, fast, but at the moment or as you're growing, go ahead and take your time. I still take my time, especially to get flawless makeup look. Next, we take a damp, clean Beauty Blender. Also, I use the same brush that I used for my foundation for the concealer. I like to start off with the Beauty Blender to blend it out as well as I can. Guys, I won't be speeding this video up, so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and you guys can follow my lead. I want you guys to understand the process and get to learn it better. So I will leave it at its normal speed and I won't talk as much so you guys can just see what I'm doing. If you have a double chin situation like your girl, then doing this will really help create an illusion to eliminate that. I go under my chin with the concealer as I'm blending it from the chin, and then I go under down by the neck. It looks like a smooth one process instead of two situations. Please remember to take your time and be very careful. At this very moment, I could have messed up. I could have went over my brow and erased it, and nobody wants that to happen. That's the worst thing to happen. Go in with that brush to spread it out and blend it into the foundation. Alright guys, I really hope that you got something out this video. That is my main goal. I hope that it was understandable and very easy. It's pretty simple. You just need someone to let you know and break it down. So guys, do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave some comments if you like, and also follow me on my social medias, which will be down in the description box below. I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.